Hello learners. Welcome back to Learn with SRB, your easy English learning channel. In today's video we are going to have some fun while improving our pronunciation. We will practice 10 English tongue twisters that will help you speak more clearly and pronounce words better. So, let's get started. Now before we begin, remember, tongue twisters are great for improving your mouth muscles, articulation, and pronunciation. So don't worry if you can't say them perfectly at first. Just keep practicing. Let's start with the first one. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. It means वह समुद्र तट पर सीपियां बेचती है. A girl is selling seashells near or along the seashore, beach. Let's say it slowly first. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now try saying it a little faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. Good job. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to say it quickly. Here is the second one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Let's go slowly. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now try saying it faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. It might sound tricky, but with practice, you will nail it. It means पीटर पाइपर ने एक पैक आचार वाले मिर्चों को चुना या उठाया. पिकल्ड पेपर्स मतलब आचार वाले मिर्च. पैक मतलब एक पुरानी अंग्रेजी मात्रा. लगभग 9 letters. But here it's just for fun. Next. How much would a woodchuck chuck, if a woodchuck could chuck wood? This one is a little bit longer, but let's break it down. First. Slowly. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Now, let's say it faster. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Keep practicing and it will become easier. It means how much wood could a woodchuck move or throw if it actually had the ability to do so? अगर एक woodchuck लकड़ी फेंक सकता, तो वह कितनी लकड़ी फेंकता? A woodchuck is a type of animal, also called a groundhog. And chuck here means throw or move. It's not a serious question, it's just for pronunciation practice and fun. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Here is a fun one. Let's say it slowly. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. And now a little faster. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Awesome. It means Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. But he had no hair. Even though fuzzy usually means soft or hairy. Fuzzy मतलब होता है मुलायम और बालों वाला. लेकिन यहाँ मजाक यह है कि उस भालू के पास बाल ही नहीं थे. It's a playful sentence that makes fun of the fact that a bear named Fuzzy isn't actually fuzzy at all. 6 slippery snails slid silently south. 6 slippery snails slid silently south. Let's go slowly.
6 slippery snails slid silently south.
And now faster. 6 slippery snails slid silently south. It means 6 snails that are slippery moved slowly and quietly toward the south. 6 फिसलन भरे घोंघे चुपचाप दक्षिण की ओर फिसल गए. Slippery means smooth or hard to hold. Slid silently means they moved without making any noise. So, this sentence describes a quiet, smooth movement of 6 snails heading south. Good. Next one. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? This one is tricky but keep at it. Try saying it slowly first.
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Now, let's say it faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Well done. It means, how is it possible for a clam, a sea animal like a shellfish, to cram, forcefully fit itself into a clean cream can? A container for cream? एक क्लेम, सीप, साफ क्रीम के डब्बे में कैसे घुस सकता है? It's a funny, imaginary question, not meant to be realistic. Just for practicing the CL and CR sounds. Here is another one to challenge you. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. First. Slowly. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. And now, faster. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. It means, the excellent farmers from Greece who grow grapes produce really good quality Greek grapes. महान ग्रीक अंगूर किसान बेहतरीन ग्रीक अंगूर उगाते हैं. Greek grape growers means grape farmers from Greece. Great Greek grapes means high quality grapes from Greece. Next one. A black bug bleeds black blood. A black bug bleeds black blood. Let's take it slowly. A black bug bleeds black blood. Now faster. A black bug bleeds black blood. It means, a black-colored insect, bug, bleeds black-colored blood. एक काले रंग का कीड़ा काला खून बहाता है. Black bug means a dark-colored insect. Bleeds means to lose blood. Black blood means blood that is also black, imaginary, just for fun. It's not realistic. Bugs don't actually bleed black blood. It's just a tongue twister to practice your BL sounds. Next. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Let's take it slowly. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now faster. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. It means, we are all shouting because we want ice cream. मैं चिल्लाता हूँ, तुम चिल्लाते हो, हम सब आइस क्रीम के लिए चिल्लाते हैं. And here is the last one. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Let's take it slowly. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Now faster. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. It means, Betty bought some butter, but it turned out to be bitter in taste. Betty ने कुछ मक्खन खरीदा, लेकिन वह मक्खन कड़वा था. Fantastic. The more you repeat these, the clearer your speech will become. Well done, learners. You've just practiced 10 fun and challenging tongue twisters that will definitely help you improve your pronunciation. Remember, the key is practice. The more you repeat these, the better your articulation and fluency will become. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Also, comment below with your favorite tongue twister and how well you did. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English skills. See you in the next video.